Yes, good morning, beta. Today is Tuesday. That's your revision test day. Today you have your first revision test, na? So test will be shared at 5 p.m. 40-minute test is there, and within 10 minutes you will send me the PDF. Till 5:50 I will collect the PDFs. Okay? You have to send me the PDF for checking also. Do you know this thing? Check on a revision test. After doing your test, you will make the PDF of your answer sheet and then you will send it to me. 7th A student will send their test to their class teacher, their math teacher, not to me, beta. Yes, Divang. Okay, let's start with the revision of chapter number 1. We were doing integers. First two exercise we have done. Let's start with 1.3. Start each and every question of 1.3. Okay, then I will ask you the answer side by side. Start it, beta. Now come. चलो साथी का ले फिर एक इधर से चलो. Next is your turn. Where's your book? How you will solve the sum then? बेटा इधर आओ थोड़ा सेंटर में. हाँ. Yes, Rishti.
Ma'am, I have a doubt from chapter rational numbers.
Yes.
Ma'am, on page number 182, example number 4 is given. List 3 rational numbers between -2 and -1.
Page number 180. 182 you are saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Do sums, don't sit free. Beta, first question. First question. First question आप करो C part. Drishti, can you repeat the page number 182 you are saying?
Yes, ma'am.
And question number?
Ma'am, example number 4.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
मैम ये वाली आप बता दोगे कैसे करनी है?
मैं करवा देती हूँ बच्चे, पर ऐसे नहीं करना जैसे इन्होंने किया. आप अपने मेथड से करो.
ओके मैम.
ये सेम क्वेश्चन एक्सरसाइज का सेकंड क्वेश्चन है. देखो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन सेकंड पार्ट.
मुझे ना मेथड में कंफ्यूजन है.
नहीं,
इन्होंने किया.
आप अपने मेथड से करो जो हमने डिस्कस किया है.
मैम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करते.
हाँ जी. Firstly, you will make their denominator same, which is already 1. So you will multiply directly with 10 in the numerator and denominator. It will be -20 by 10, -10 by 10. Answer is -11 by 10, -12 by 10, -13 by 10. Got it?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This same question we have done earlier also.
Yes, ma'am. मेरे को ना मेथड में ही बस कंफ्यूजन थी.
इन्होंने बेटा 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है and we are doing it by 10.
Okay, ma'am.
सेम है, इन्होंने 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया बस. That's only difference. ठीक. क्वेश्चन नंबर आप करो ई पार्ट. Do your work. First question, C part. Answer will be plus 630. You have written minus, beta. Minus minus is plus. बट उसको प्लस लिख दो, प्लस कर दो इसकी जगह प्लस. हाँ हटा दो, हटा दो, बस बस बस, रहने दो रहने दो. What's the answer? Answer is 0. When you multiply any number with 0, answer will be 0. Go. Next. Come. Bring your book. Book रखो. Do question number, first F part on that side. Take chalk. बड़ा लो. चलो ले जाओ, बुक ले जाओ. Fold it. चलो. F part. इस साइड पे करो, थोड़ा सा इधर हो, सेंटर में. हाँ जी, हाँ, वेरी गुड. What happened? आप अपना बेंच आगे थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट करिए. बच्चे गिव हिम बुक. आप 2-3 क्वेश्चंस नोट करो. डोंट सिट फ्री. नोट डाउन 2-3 क्वेश्चंस. There is any Alak Jyot in your class? अगम जो तो लिखा है नहीं इसमें. चितेश.
Yes, ma'am.
अकल जो
No, ma'am, ये
नहीं है, ऊपर वाला है. चहक. चहक वैभव. Done? Beta, you have written direct answer. Firstly, multiply these two terms. Rub it. ऐसे नहीं बेटा. चलो पहले 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करो. कीप योर बुक पे. छोड़ दो, अब वहां से देखो. माधव चोपड़ा. No बेटा, माइनस माइनस इज प्लस. अदगुन कौर. ज्योतिन. Rub this. रवजोत. Do question number. First question, I part. whenever you are multiplying two number, bete रुको, put bracket. Two signs can't come together, you have to put the bracket. इसका आंसर लिखो पहले, इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? अब किसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो? इन दोनों को कर रहे हो, इन दोनों को करो ना। ये क्या लिख रहे हो? एक मिनट रुको, इन दोनों को इकट्ठे कर दो, इन दोनों को इकट्ठे कर दो, करो, इन दोनों को करो, इनको इनके आंसर को मल्टीप्लाई। Put bracket. Okay. Answer is -12. Sorry, -20. J part. Is up. Come to this side. Bring chalk. हाँ जी. प्लस प्लस प्लस, माइनस माइनस भी प्लस, प्लस प्लस भी प्लस. सेम साइन जब होता है तो प्लस होता है, और ऑपोजिट साइन होते हैं तो माइनस होता है. ये विजिबल ही नहीं हो रहा, डार्क लिखो. चलो छोड़ दो उसे. Multiply first two terms, then last two terms, then multiply their answers. क्या हुआ? माइनस माइनस प्लस, प्लस 18, प्लस 18, माइनस माइनस, माइनस माइनस प्लस, हटा दो, लगाना ही नहीं है, हटा दो. 18 टू जा, 18 टू जा, आवाज ही नहीं, म्यूट. 36, आंसर इज 36. गो नेक्स्ट. चलो स्टार्ट. चलो फिफ्थ सेकंड क्वेश्चन का करो. फर्स्ट पार्ट, सेकंड क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट पार्ट. Second question is a verification. In that you have to solve left hand side and right hand side separately. If you will get same answer of both the side, then hence verified, otherwise no. So can you tell me the property that is already used in the second question? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Keep your book there. Book वहाँ. Solve bracket first. 7 minus 3 is 4. Then 18 into 4. Now for the right hand side, you will solve both the brackets, then you will add their answers. Verbally करो. 6 minus 4. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified. Similar is the second part. Any doubt in this? Any doubt? No, hence verified. Yes, statement true. Hence verified. Rub this. Start question number 5. Which property is this? Distributive property. Solve this. Fifth question. But you do fifth question that is related to distributive property. No, beta, don't multiply. What you will do in this question? Minus 48 is same. Take minus 48 out. Out of these, if you take out 26 is left. From these two, if you take this out, minus 36 is left. So you will write in the bracket. आता है सात्विक? Come. आप next करोगे. देखो उसके बाद next question you will do. When you take common from the numbers, that property is known as distributive property. Minus 48 common. Instead of minus 48, you can only take 48 as common also. But better to take minus common, that will reduce your question. That will make your question much more easier. डू योर वर्क. वेट वेट वेट, 48 कॉमन बेटा, दोनों में से. फर्स्ट में से 48 कॉमन लोगे. Arshia will do, then you will do the next question. Go. Anyone else who can try? Mitul, your name is Mitul. Can you try this question? No? Okay. Chalo, do it. Take minus 48 common. And whenever you are asked to do this by the property, then you will write distributive property in the bracket. Otherwise, half marks will be deducted for not writing your right step, don't miss. 26 minus 36. Plus minus minus हो गया ना, 26 minus 36. Bracket, bracket. In the upper step, it's not compulsory, but in this last step, it's compulsory to put the bracket because two consecutive signs can't come together. Okay. So this is distributive property. Actually, you have this number is considered as one number. This is your second number. And out of these two numbers, you will take same number common. 26 is left. From this minus 36 is left. Plus minus minus. ये plus का ये minus का. Plus minus minus. You will subtract it and you will write the sign. Then you will multiply it. Yes, yes. Distributive property. Now, who will do the second part of this question? Come. This. Question, second part. But this question is of simple multiplication. You will find the two numbers that will give you 0. Yes, yes. Book de do. Multiply 8 multiplied by minus 125. Put bracket. Yes. आपने इसमें टर्म को चेंज किया, दैट इज कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. Which property he has used in this question? Actually, 8 is written with 53, but he has multiplied 8 with 125. तो इसको पहले ले आए, इसे बाद में. You have to write one more step. What you will do is, your question was this. आपने इसको पहले लिख लिया, इसे बाद में. You have changed the place of these two terms. This property is known as commutative property of multiplication. Then you are multiplied. Okay. Third part. Third. Satvik, third part. Chalo. You will collect the terms that will give you maximum number of zeros. Which you will collect? 25 with this, 15 with this. इसको आगे ले आओ, इसे पीछे. Commutative property. Including them. Whenever there was last period of maths, attendance is it's minus. This is your, it's your wish if you want to put. This is your distributive. Is this distributive property? No, this is commutative property of multiplication. Next. Rub it. बच्चे, don't multiply. How you will solve this question? एक मिनट मैं बताती हूँ, एक मिनट साइड हो. Simple multiply नहीं करना. -41 is same. 102 can be written as, ये माइनस को बाहर कर दो. ठीक है, ये माइनस को बाहर लीव इट आउटसाइड. इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई, इसको इससे. ठीक है. So this is your distributive property. Don't multiply as it is. That will be your simple question if you multiply. You have to use some specific property. So that's why you have to break it like this. ले भी सकते हैं. ये जो माइनस है ना, इसका इसके साथ लगा दो. कॉमन ले लो दोनों में से. नहीं लेना तो बिना उसके भी कर सकते हैं. हाँ ठीक है. नेक्स्ट प्लस 41 इंटू 2 82. 41 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ना. पहले 100 से किए, आप किससे करेंगे? 82 आएगा बेटे. वर्बली करो ना. 2 1 जा 2, 2 4 जा 8. चलो एड इट. विद माइनस साइन. माइनस साइन सही तरह लिखो बेटा. माइनस साइन. इक्वल को रब करो. हाँ जी, माइनस लगाओ. हाँ जी, गो. इज इट ओके?